Hello, welcome to Azure Administrator Az-104 revamp video. So in this video today we are going to see lab 03. So in this particular lab we are going to manage and create Azure resources through ARM template. So before this lab till now we were doing all the labs through the Azure portal, which was button clicks. But in this lab we are going to perform through ARM template, which is the template. So since I am following the GitHub portal for the curriculum of this lab, so I'll be doing the same things, same task with three different ways. One is the manual way from the Azure portal, the button clicks. Second would be the importing and exporting the templates.json file and uploading on the Cloud Shell and performing the task. And third would be directly from Cloud Shell. So let's go to the first one first. So we are going to create a storage account here. So to do that we are going to create a managed disk. So just type disk here on the top search bar and select the disk here. So once you select the disk, so you will land on this dashboard here. Just to create a new disk, you need to hit on the plus create button. So once you hit on plus create button, so this dashboard appears. Here you need to fill all the details. Just one important things which you need to be very cautious here: the disk type. Make sure that whatever disk type you are selecting here should be very cost effective, because on Azure portal the disk type, or it costs hourly basis. So you, if you select the disk type something like 32 GB or 64 GB with normal SSD, then it would be better and cost effective, and your task will also be done. So hence it's better to select the less cost of the storage account of the SSD disk. So hence when you will be selecting this and hit on the plus create button, it will be created. Now moving to the second task of this lab, creating the disk storage with the importing and exporting the template. So since you have already created the disk with the manual approach directly from the Azure portal, so the template is already generated there. Now you need to download that template and upload it to the Cloud Shell and then do it from there. To do that, what you will be doing, just select the storage account which you have just created now, and then go to the down. Here you would be seeing the template. Just click on the templates. When you click on these templates, so here you see an option of export template. So when you hit on the export template, here you see that there is an option of download, and when you hit on download, it will be downloaded on your system, on your device. So once it is downloaded, you can just go to the Cloud Shell. So if you haven't activated this yet, you can just activate on the Azure portal. Just go to this right greater icon on next to the search bar here, this one. When you click on this, the it will be activated, or it will become there. Here it comes, and then you just there is an option here, manage files. When you click on the manage files, there is an option upload and download. So you just select on upload. When you hit on the upload, it will ask you to upload the file. You choose the file, the template file which you just have downloaded, and upload it. Then it will be successful. Now this is uploading the template file and on the Cloud Shell and doing it. Now third would be the directly from the Cloud Shell. Third would be just giving the commands and directly doing it from the Cloud Shell. So how it would be, you just go to the cloud cell, uh, make all your commands ready, like just to create the account. Here is one catch here when you will be doing directly from the cloud cell. So in previous two ways, when you created the storage account, it is managed disk type, right? When you will be doing it only on the cloud shell, so it won't be disk type, because it would be the storage account. So that is the difference, doing it manually from them, from previous two things, and doing from the cloud shell. So it would be storage account. So once you enter everything, you give all the commands, it will be created. You can monitor the creation and deployment of the storage account with this notification icon here. uh, you can just monitor that. One more important thing here is that uh, the creation and deployment of this is idempotent, means it follows the idempotency, meaning that whatever is already deployed cannot be mimicked. If you make any changes, only then it will be updated, otherwise twice it will not be created. So that is about the idempotency. So yeah, this is done. So once you finished, once this creation of this storage account through the cloud sale is completed, you are done with all these three tasks under this lab 03. Now your next important task would be just to clean up, so that it doesn't cost you much, because the storage account or storage disk type, it cost hourly basis. So you make sure that you delete all the resources along with the resource group which you have just created for this lab, and once it is deleted, then you are good to go ahead for the next lab. So yeah, so far in this lab today, this much, and we'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.